Does your character you're cosplaying require an odd color brow? Or do you just have thick, dark brows that won't accept eyeshadow to completely color them the right color? Well then, stay tuned for this week's 2-Minute Tip Tuesday because I will be showing you how to get the perfect anime colored eyebrows. Liquid lipsticks are known for their staying power and their wide range of colors. But they're not just for your lips, they can also be used to color your eyebrows. With an angled brush, dip it into the product and lightly brush it through your brows. And then, if your eyebrows still aren't accepting the color, take a spoolie or brow brush and dip it in the product and brush it through to finally coat your brows. My personal favorite place to get colorful liquid lipsticks for really cheap is ColourPop Cosmetics. But you can also check out places like NYX or Pretty Zombie Cosmetics for an array of colors. Let me know down below if you use this trick on your own brows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, cosplay is all about having fun. I love you guys and I will see you next week. Bye!